Want healthy, glowing skin without spending a fortune on skincare products? Today, I'm breaking down the best way to take care of your face using science-backed techniques and technology-enhanced skincare. From essential skincare habits to high-tech beauty innovations, I'll cover everything you need to keep your skin clear, youthful, and healthy. Stick around until the end, because I'll reveal the #1 mistake ruining your skin without you realizing it. Step 1. Hydrate for radiance. Drink at least 8 glasses of water daily to flush out toxins. Add lemon or cucumber for extra skin-boosting benefits. Step 2. Eat skin-nourishing foods. Vitamin C, oranges, bell peppers, brighten skin and boost collagen. Omega-3s, salmon, flax seeds, keeps skin hydrated and reduces inflammation. Zinc, pumpkin seeds, chickpeas, speeds up skin healing and reduces acne. Comment below, what's your go-to skin-friendly food? Step 3. Cleanse your skin the right way. Morning routine. Use a gentle pH-balanced cleanser to remove overnight oil buildup. Evening routine. Double cleanse. Start with an oil-based cleanser to remove dirt and makeup. Follow with a water-based cleanser for a deep clean. Why it works. Cleansing removes dirt, excess oil, and pollution, preventing breakouts and dullness. Like this video if you've ever struggled to find the right face cleanser. Step 4. Exfoliate, but don't overdo it. Use gentle chemical exfoliants like AHAs, glycolic acid, or BHAs, salicylic acid, 2 to 3 times a week. Avoid harsh scrubs that can create micro tears in your skin. Pro tip. Try enzyme-based exfoliation from natural ingredients like papaya or pineapple for a gentle glow. Comment below, what's your favorite exfoliation method? Step 5. Hydrate and lock in moisture. Use a hydrating mist with ingredients like rose water or aloe vera before applying your moisturizer. Apply moisturizer while your skin is damp to seal in hydration. Skincare Tech Alert. Some brands now use AI-powered skincare analysis to customize moisturizer recommendations based on your skin type. Step 6. Upgrade your routine with skincare technology. LED light therapy. Red light for anti-aging, blue light for acne. Microcurrent devices. Uses low-voltage electricity to lift and firm the skin. Jade rollers and gua sha. Improves circulation and lymphatic drainage. Tech bonus. AI-driven skincare apps now scan your face and recommend products based on your real-time skin needs. Biggest mistake. Using too many products. Layering too many serums and actives can damage your skin barrier. Less is more. Stick to a simple, effective routine with high-quality products. Which tip was your favorite? Let me know in the comments. Want more skincare secrets? Like this video if you found these tips helpful. Subscribe for weekly skincare and beauty tech content. Share this with a friend who wants glowing skin. Thanks for watching. Check out these videos for more skincare science and wellness tips. And I'll see you next time on Health and Tech TV.